Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an absolute game changer, the UDPOWER C600 Portable Power Station Solar. If you're into camping, RV adventures, or just want to be ready for any emergency, stick around because this review is for you. Let's get into why this bad boy is a must-have. In a world where staying powered up is essential, the UDPOWER C600 Portable Power Station Solar stands out as a game changer for adventurers, travelers, and anyone preparing for emergencies. This 600W 1200 surge powerhouse, equipped with a 595 LiFePO4 battery, delivers reliable, eco-friendly energy wherever life takes you. Whether you're camping under the stars, embarking on an RV road trip, or facing an unexpected power outage, the C600 ensures you're never left in the dark. Why you need the UDPOWER C600 Portable Power Station. Solar. Imagine you're deep in the wilderness, your phone's battery is dwindling, and your CPAP machine needs power to keep you breathing easy. Or picture a sudden blackout at home, with your fridge at risk of spoiling food. The UDPOWER C600 is your lifeline, offering a compact, lightweight, only 12.79 EOS solution to keep your essential devices running. With 9 output ports, including 2 600W AC outlets, $65 and $35 USB-C PD ports, and a 12V car port, it powers everything from laptops and phones to mini fridges and power tools simultaneously. You will find the link to the product in the description. Please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on awesome gear like this. This portable power station solar is designed for versatility. Its 240W solar charging capability means you can harness the sun's energy to recharge in just 2.5 hours with compatible solar panels, making it perfect for off-grid adventures. Plus, its LiFePO4 battery lasts over 4,000 charge cycles, 10 times longer than standard lithium-ion batteries, ensuring reliable power for years. Whether you're camping, traveling, or preparing for emergencies, the C600 delivers peace of mind and freedom to explore. You will find the link to the product in the description. Please subscribe to the channel for more epic reviews and tips. Why choose UDPOWER C600 over other Amazon power stations? Unlike many competitors on Amazon, the UDPOWER C600 combines cutting-edge technology with unmatched durability. Its military-grade protection, UL 2743 FCC ROHS certified, includes a 6-layer safety system, guarding against overvoltage, short circuits, and overheating. The UD Turbo technology ensures clean, pure sine wave output, safely powering 99% of devices, including sensitive electronics like CPAP machines. Other power stations often fall short with noisier operation or less robust batteries, but the C600's ultra-low noise, below 30 dB, and smart heat dissipation keep it whisper quiet and cool under pressure. Weighing 30% less than comparable $500 models, the C600 is a breeze to carry, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts. While other brands may offer similar wattage, they often lack the C600's long-lasting LiFePO4 battery or its ability to charge via solar AC or carports with such efficiency. For example, while some competitors struggle with high-wattage appliances, the C600's 1200 surge capacity handles power tools and refrigerators with ease. Benefits that make a difference. The UDPOWER C600 isn't just a gadget, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It empowers you to stay connected, charge multiple devices at once, from smartphones to laptops, without worry. Go green. Solar compatibility reduces your carbon footprint, making it an eco-friendly choice. Prepare for emergencies. Keep critical devices like medical equipment or lights running during outages. Enjoy adventures. Lightweight and portable, it's your perfect companion for camping, RV trips, or travel. Why buy now? The UDPOWER C600 Portable Power Station Solar is more than a purchase. It's an investment in reliability, sustainability, and freedom. With its superior battery life, robust safety features, and versatile charging options, it outshines other power stations on Amazon. Don't settle for less when you can have the best. All right, folks, that's it for today's review of the UDPOWER C600. If you love this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Check out the link in the description to grab your C600 and power up your adventures. Let me know in the comments what you think about this portable power station solar, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay powered, stay awesome.